Chess, a game known for intelligence, it improves concentration, problem solving skills, critical, original, and mathematical skills. Chess is a strategic board game played between two players. Hello everyone, I Samriddhi Sharma, art teacher in KM Public School. Today I am here to present my views on International Chess Day. The International Chess Day is celebrated annually on July 20th every year. The International Chess Federation was founded in 1924. The idea to celebrate this day as the International Chess Day was proposed by UNESCO, and it has been celebrated as such since 1966 after it was established by FIDE. Among Indian chess players, there are 68 grandmasters, 124 international masters, 20 women grandmasters, and 42 women international masters. In 1987, the Indian chess wizard Vishwanathan Anand became the first Indian grandmaster and ruled the international chess scene for next decades. His first competitor was his mother. And that is where Anand got his inspiration, and then he did not look back. After 33 years later, G. Akash became Indian 66th Grandmaster on July 2020. Let me now introduce you to some old students of our school who have achieved different achievements in the field of chess.
Hi, I'm Shailendra, pass out from KM Public School in the year 2007. Today, on the occasion of International Chess Day, I share my participation and achievement in the game of chess. During my study, I represent KM Public School in various district, state, zonal and national level chess tournament. I also represent Maharshi Dayanand University in inter-university chess tournament. Finally, I gave thanks to all KM school staff for supporting and encouraging us during our schooling, and especially thanks to our PTI ma'am, Mrs. Sunita Nair. Thanks to all.
Hello guys, happy chess day to all of you. I am Abhimanyu, working as Naib Tahsildar in Samalkha. I started playing chess when I was in class first in KM school, and chess has helped me in each and every aspect of my life, from my academics to my work life, and I still play chess whenever I get time. And I would like to thank KM School for introducing me to such mindful activity. Thank you.
friends, my name is Bhavika Vats from class 9th A. Today I would like to speak a few words about International Chess Day. Chess is the most popular indoor game. It has an amazing brief history behind the foundation of this game. You can play chess on your computer or on mobile. This is an internationally played and highly popular game. You can develop a career as a professional chess player if you are passionate enough about this game. It comes with so much inner satisfaction and a mental exercise. It was known as Shatranj in a previous time. Two players play with each other at the same time. You can play with the computer to fast practicing. It was a reputed and a popular game all across the world. I love playing chess so much and I wish to become a full-time chess player in the future. Happy Chess Day to all. Thank you.
I am Ekta from 7th A. I want to express my views on chess. Chess is the most popular indoor game. It has an amazing brief history behind the foundation of this game. You can play chess on your computer or on mobile. This is an internationally played and highly popular game. You can develop a career as a professional chess player. It comes with so much inner satisfaction and mental exercise. It was known as Chaturanga in previous time. Two players play with each other at the same time. It is reputed and popular game all across the world. I love playing chess. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Bhavesh from class 5th C. Chess is my favorite game. Chess is an indoor game. Chess is a very popular game in the world. Chess is played by two players. It is played on a board called chessboard. It is made of 64 smaller squares. Each player starts with 16 pieces. One king, one queen, two rooks, two bishops, two knights, and 8 pawns. The squares are alternately white and black colored. Both players has to play with mind to win. Chess game is played all over the world. The competition of this game held internationally. Thank you.
My name is Chirag Bhadraj. I read in 5th P class. आज मैं आपको शतरंज दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर कुछ पंक्तियाँ सुनाना चाहता हूँ। शतरंज का खेल हर कोई नहीं खेल पाता। पुराने जमाने में शतरंज का खेल काफ़ी अच्छा माना जाता था और अब भी माना जाता है। पहले राजा महाराजा अपना मन बहलाने के लिए इसे खेला करते थे। शतरंज को अंग्रेजी में चेस कहते हैं। चेस शब्द की उत्पत्ति शाह शब्द से हुई है। शाह शब्द पर्शियन भाषा का शब्द है। शाह शब्द का अर्थ राजा है। इसी शब्द से बादशाह बना है। बादशाह का अर्थ महाराजा है। महाराज रावण की पत्नी मंदोदरी को शतरंज खेलने का काफ़ी शौक था। एक दिन उन्होंने देखा कि महाराज रावण की लंका में राक्षस मार काट मचा रहे हैं। एक दिन उन्होंने सोचा क्यों ना इन्हें शतरंज सिखाया जाए। महारानी मंदोदरी ने उन्हें शतरंज सिखा दिया। अब राक्षस पूरे दिन शतरंज खेलते रहते थे। हमारा देश शतरंज में काफ़ी आगे है। धन्यवाद।
Dipansi, what are you doing?
Mama, I am playing chess.
Chess?
Yes, you know chess is very different from other dice games.
No, beta, you can explain me.
Yes, in all indoor games, I love playing chess more. You know chess in Italy for Shatranj. Chess is an ancient game which organized in our country, India. Mama, chess sharp our mind.
Okay.
Brain is used more in playing chess.
अरे वाह बेटा.
myself Mayank Indra from class 11th. Today I am talking about the game chess, which is an indoor game and played by two people. I will be highlighting the benefits of playing chess. The chess theory is complicated and many players memorize different opening variations. Chess improves concentration. During the game, you are focused on only one main goal, to checkmate and become the victor. Chess develops logical thinking. Chess requires some understanding of logical strategies. Chess promotes imagination and creativity. It encourages you to inventive. There are an indefinite amount of beautiful combinations yet to be constructed. Chess teaches independence.
International Chess Day. Life is like a game of chess. To win, you have to make a move. Knowing which move to make comes with insight and knowledge. And by learning the lesson that the accumulated along the way. Thank you.